Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. I am thankful to all the honorable members who have participated in the debate. Some honorable members expressed certain reservations about some of the provisions of the bill. But all the same, it has been a brief but very interesting debate. My friend expressed certain views. I thought that his party had become wiser because of some developments in the country and because of the way of the problems of land and agriculture in this country were getting solved. And my understanding was that party broadly agrees with the national guidelines on the sealing laws. Once I had some talk with his leader and I was told that the party broadly agrees with the land reforms legislation and guidelines. But opposite views I have heard just now from the Honorable Friend. Sir, these broad guidelines and the national sealing laws have been broadly accepted in this country as part of the land reforms, and there has been, by and large, a part of the land reforms, and there has been a general consensus irrespective of party platforms. But while my friend spoke about the bill, though he did not positively say that he is opposed to the provisions, he expressed certain views. For instance, he thought there are certain contradictions involved in the government policies as far as land sealing laws are concerned. He asked, how is it that, on the one hand, the government is promoting mechanization, and on the other, the government wants to have farms of 8 hectares? Now, I would like to tell my friend that as far as India is concerned, first of all, this is not a country where we can afford to have big farms. The days of big farms, absentee landlordism, and very large holdings have gone. In fact, we can claim very legitimately that one of our very proud achievements is that we have done away with landlordism. We have done away with big landlords and big estates. We want this country to be a country of small farmers. But there were certain persons, certain individuals, certain categories of persons who had in their possession very large holdings. I do not think they can have it now. But naturally, whatever may be the problems of agriculture in this country, we have tried to find solutions in its own background. We cannot follow the pattern of either the Soviet Union or America. Stop.